and welcome to Omkon Structural Steel. Thank you for your interest in Omkon's structural steel fabrication services. Are you constantly in need of a reliable structural steel fabricator to outsource your steel structure project requirements at a scalable volume? Look no further and contact us today. Here at Omkon, we are proud to serve the construction industry with our years of experience through various structural steel projects we have carried out. We hold EN ISO 3834-2 and EN 1090-2 Execution Class 3 Welding Quality Certifications and run an ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System. Industrial plants, factory buildings, steel bridges, warehouse structures, machine platforms, and welded steel parts are among the final products we deliver. Please visit our websites for more thorough information about us and examples of our previous projects. We operate at our 2 factories in Izmir on the west coast of Turkey and regularly deliver to Europe. Norway, Sweden, Italy, Germany, France, and the Netherlands were some of our final delivery destinations in 2022. One of our factories consists of 4 production halls, each equipped with 10-ton overhead cranes, a total of 3,500 square meters of closed production area on 5,000 square meters of land. Another one of our factories has a single 1,300 square meters of closed area production hall on 2,500 square meters of land, which is equipped with 40-ton overhead cranes for heavy construction items. Having a capacity of 200 to 300 tons per month of steel fabrication, we perform quick production lead times. We use certified raw materials of well-known manufacturers' industry standard steel profiles and sheet metals, and include in our quality files the material grade certifications. We work with several customers to provide our turnkey solutions, as well as perform as a subcontract manufacturer for structural steel fabrication only. We don't perform the project detailing, but expect the projects to be provided by our clientele in a ready-to-produce technical drawing package. We welcome quality inspections carried out by our clients as well as welcome third-party inspection companies' quality control audits. Pre-shipment quality inspection charges to be borne by our customers. We deliver partial lots in sequence as the production continues. Typical initial delivery generally takes place after 30 days upon order placement, and weekly deliveries follow until the completion of a project. Our products originate in Turkey and come with an ATR certificate or the corresponding origin declarations. We welcome orders on FCA Izmir Turkey payment terms to be performed at 20 to 40% TT at order and balance TT before shipment basis. For European inquiries, please feel free to contact our sister company, Omkon International KFT, established in Budapest, Hungary. We serve the industry on a first-come, first-served basis. Wishing you the best of success.